Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Akuvox A01 Smart Access Control keypad terminal and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. There are two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If the access control is not responding, or if it's frozen, or if it's not connecting or syncing with your devices or the internet or the network, a hard reset can fix a lot of these problems. Also, if you want to set this up someplace new and you just want to start fresh with its out-of-the-box settings, we can go ahead and do this. There's really two ways we can do this. The first way is straight from the interface menu. We can actually just go to the settings and then the upgrade settings, and then we can go down and have it reset to its factory setting. The other way we can do that is if we find the reset button on the back of the device and we press that with a paperclip for 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, that will initiate a hard reset to the factory default out-of-the-box settings on this terminal.